If you really want to know the 5-step formula for success, please stay tuned with me for next 2 to 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Tausif Hassan. I am going to share my knowledge, what I learned from one of the podcasts today. So, the number one maxim is, no idea works until you take action. So you might have plans written on a paper, you might have a lot of ideas, but till the time you don't convert those ideas into actionable items, you will not be able to achieve any great results. So, as Robin says, that ideation without execution is a mere delusion. So ladies and gentlemen, try to take action on the ideas that you have. The second maxim for success is double the amount of money as an investment in your self-development. See, I was very ignorant about this fact. I used to think that if I'll increase my amount of money in my self-investment, I will be less on funds, and that was not very important long ago to me. But ever since I realized that it is very important, in fact this is the most important thing, that investing in self-development is very vital for success, I started doing that. So I would recommend all of you to designate an amount of money every month for your self-development. If you do that, you will not only become more confident, you will become fearless, you will be able to connect to your true self. Third maxim of success: problems becomes problems when you see them as a problem. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see problems as the opportunities, if you become more solution oriented than problem oriented, things will change in your life. If you talk about great leaders, athletes, the entrepreneurs, they see problems as the gateway of new opportunities. So become solution oriented. The second last of success maxim is, caliber of your practice determines the quality of your performance. Now, if you ask any great athlete, any champion, they will say that they won the champion before the championship was held. How hard you play when no one is watching you. So the championship is always won off the field, not on the field. The kind of energy they put in practicing things determines the quality and the output. So please take this input. Caliber of your practice determines the quality of your performance. And now the last and final and very important maxim is very simple but yet very effective. Success lies in consistency. You might have heard that without a commitment, an idea you will never start, but without consistency you will never finish. So guys, it is very important to optimize yourself, to learn new things, and to be consistent. If you want to finish anything, if you want to give signals to your brain that yes, you have achieved, if you want to give a signal to your brain, a sense of accomplishment, then you need to be consistent. Believe in daily progress. Finish what you start. So I hope you would have learned these 5-step formula. You liked it. In case if you have any feedback for me or for these formula, please leave your feedback in comment section. I'll be grateful to all of you. So this is Tausif Hassan signing off until we meet again. Have a blessed day.